everybody, Jeff ID10T The Garage. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the 66 Mustang to 01 Mustang conversion project. As you can see here, it is in full swing. I'm still working on some regular videos, but I've got it actually mounted in here. Just made some gussets on each side of the inner rocker and welded them to the 01 Mustang, so it's pretty solid in here. I can just shake the whole car now. Got a lot to go. I went ahead and got my rear wheel flare added in, just kind of set in place with the Clecos. Cut the hole for the gas filler, which I still got to clean up and get something welded in. And I started welding in and connecting it here at the A pillar. And I was doing this kind of blind. My battery went out on my helmet and I didn't realize it, so it's not the greatest. But even shortened and put the rocker in the end, which I welded all the way to the back to the actual kick panel of the 01 Mustang. So I got to do the same thing on the bottom and do this end. But I'm working on this panel. Got our inner kick panel all welded in. This is where our PCM goes, and this is the start of the outer part that'll keep the water out for the most part and add extra structure to it. So I've fit the fenders multiple times, did a lot of work there, a lot of cutting, have a lot of welding to do obviously, but everything fits and fits pretty well. It's going to take a lot of work to get it all tweaked in place. Obviously, I have to put the front pieces on to get it, sitting right. And then I put a bar in the top there as well. And then I can move it left to right and get it kind of angled the proper way. That way the hood's straight and all that good stuff. Still got to do a lot of welding. I still got to do all the pieces in the back and get it straightened out. There's a little bit of wiggle back here with nothing attached. So I got to kind of figure out exactly how I'm going to do that. I've already started to cut away the braces on the rear piece because they're binding over here at the edge. So likely I'm going to have to cut more away here to get this back section where it needs to be. And then I'll probably have to extend out this section right here just a little bit, maybe like an inch to attach to this. It's just gonna hit the bottom of the bumper brackets, but all in all, it fits pretty good and right above the actual exhaust, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's making progress slowly but surely. But all in all, I'm really excited about this. Doors are all mounted, and I got them pretty straight, pretty lined up. Nice gap at the bottom. Well, I wouldn't say it's nice, but it's an even gap at the bottom. Took a lot of work. It's real tight in here. So just took some work because these rockers were done pretty badly, I would assume. And as you can see, that gap is tight there. So it was really hard to get that where it needed to be. But everything's going, and slowly but surely. Just wanted to give everybody an update.